Stock and Lock fam, glad to be with y'all again. It's the last day of the month in March. We have a hump day today. It's Wednesday, and it's time to bounce back from our last Stock and Lock pick, right? We missed on the Knicks points the other night on Monday, which is okay, not a problem, but it's time to bounce back. And I did some due diligence on this Stock and Lock today, so wish y'all the best of luck and hope you guys can join this one with me. So without further ado, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that description button and pick up some free Bitcoin as well as stocks for Robinhood and Webull. I supplied that for you guys down there. And for our lock this evening, we're heading to LA, guys. We're going to be looking at the Bucks at the Lakers. -8.5 to the Bucks, their favorite here. And I see why. I mean, let's look at it. LeBron, AD both out. Lakers pretty depleted. They're banged up. Where's the scoring going to come from, right? The Bucks, on the other hand, tough loss to the Clippers. Giannis, horrible shooting night that night. And, guys, Giannis, 3-game losing streak for the Bucks. I just don't see his shooting drought continuing tonight against this depleted Lakers squad. The Bucks are first in scoring in the league. Don't forget that, averaging a little over 119 points. And they're actually top 5 in field goal percentage. Now, listen to this. So, Lakers have only held opponents to 34.9% shooting on threes. Who are they playing? Top 3 3-point shooting team in the NBA, the Bucks. So, if you ask me, I'm not going to lie. The Lakers have been impressive lately without their 2 stars. And with the Bucks coming off of this losing streak, Giannis is just going to be super hungry, right? He's going to play better, and he's going to get the win here. Expect the points to come tonight. Expect this drought to end. And expect the Bucks to get back on the winning streak, okay? So I'm taking the Bucks here, but I'm buying a point down to 7.5. That's my lock for tonight. Let's talk stocks. Let's talk about the stock market, guys. Let's head to our stock pick for really this month of April. So this is going to be in the communication sector, okay? Company operates through TV entertainment, cable networks, and filmed entertainment segments. Y'all have all heard of this before. It's Viacom CBS, folks. Ticker symbol VIAC, currently at around $44.52. And I just purchased a $50 call play for this one for May 21st. Happy I did that, and I'll go over why I'm bullish on this stock with you guys. So for those of you who don't know, there's a capital management firm called Archegos, which was founded by this guy named Bill Hwang back in 2013. And really the focus is in family investments, right? So they recently forced liquidation of close to $22 billion in holdings. And I want to read a quote to y'all from Yahoo Finance real quick, okay? So this was earlier this morning. The collapse of Archegos, a family office founded by investment manager Bill Hwang, is sending shockwaves through Wall Street after its bets pushed lenders to initiate a margin call, ultimately forcing the firm to sell positions in Viacom CBS, Discovery, Baidu, and Tencent Music, among others. So we saw that previously happen with GameStop, right? Where back in February, these retail investors bought GME on margin call, essentially credit, and we saw it with hedge funds, shorting 140% of the float. So what's happening now? Well, we're witnessing it with this family office like Archegos, unfortunately. And also something to note, there's this other major global investment company called PIMCO, PIMCO. They focus on active fixed income management. The corporate parent company of them is a business called Alliance. And this chief executive investment advisor there is this Egyptian businessman by the name of Mohammed El Arian. Not sure how to pronounce that one. This is what he had to say about this whole sell-off situation happening with Viacom and Archegos. So we should not be worried about short-term, medium, narrow contagion. This was an accident waiting to happen, and it happened. It may lead banks to be more cautious about extending credit, and that in itself could be the longer term contagion from this. Okay, Chris, but what does this all mean for us investors? Well, with any sale or major sell off, we know comes buying opportunities. This is a buying opportunity for us to pounce on Viacom, and you can either grab shares at this price or get some call options for May 21st. So best of luck to y'all. Let's ride this wave back up, and happy investing to you. Take care.